We now return to Little House on the Prairie.
Oh, that's wonderful, Mary. You're doing great with your Braille.
I couldn't have done it without you, Pa.
Why don't you go up to bed and get some sleep, honey? Honey, you remember where the stool was? Oh, Mary, you're in the kitchen, sweetheart. You're all disoriented. Let me help you. The ladder's right here.
Thanks, Pa.
Jeez, life was a lot tougher back then.
Mr. Pewterschmidt! Go away! But Mr. Pewterschmidt, you gotta do something. The potholes ain't getting fixed no more. The stoplights ain't working. Tampon commercials no longer use blue liquids in their demonstrations.
Oh! Why? Make it blue! That's always been the deal! You show whatever you want, but you make it blue! Hey, what are you working on? Just trying to make some sense of these numbers. What did you hit? What happened to my spreadsheet? What exactly was the end game if I hadn't walked in?
There's nothing worse than grocery shopping on the day before Thanksgiving.
Yeah, that's the sound a rich family's turkey makes.
There's still a lot more groceries in the car.
Well, it's not a race. Take a break.
If you knew how close we were to putting you down last year.
Jeez, what's her problem? Thanksgiving's exhausting. You know what she could use? A little sip of that drink I invented. Hi, Stewie Griffin here with my latest creation, Monster Energy Drink. What is it? I don't know, but it's free from this truck that stopped outside your work. Mix it with booze. Ever been wide awake, blacked out? Ever tried to jump over a train on a bike? Ever bit the beak off a bird? Monster Energy. Put it in your body and ask questions later. It's green, so it's nature.
Contraband check. What are these?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I don't know how they got there.
Well, I think you do know.
No, Derek was in here earlier. He was making the beds. He probably put them, I was in the John. You guys are Nazis, man! You're freaking Nazis!
Who the hell does he think he is?
Come on! Go away!
Guess what? I'm a witch.
Guess what? I'm a Clippers fan.
All ticketed passengers for flight 2378 to Reno, Nevada. At the gate.
Announcing the arrival of flight 142 from Atlanta.
Hello? That's not funny! Guys, do you like beer but can't get drunk from beer? Then try new vodka beer. The can says beer, but inside is 12 ounces of carbonated vodka. And the best part is, your wife will never know.
Honey, I'm so proud of you, cutting down to 1 beer a night.
Take off your underwear. She don't know.
I have revealed to you today these horrors in the hope that you will see the need for change. But always remember, what I have done here today is not a courageous act. The courage lies with a man who has the guts to say no to a fast food restaurant and eat a salad instead. To say, I will eat this salad with pride. I don't care if I look like a gay person. So to all of you salad-eating homosexuals, I say thank you.
Hey, I got an idea. Let's play I Never. You gotta drink if you did the thing that the person says they never did.
Oh, I got one. I never slept with a woman with the lights on. I'll go next. I never had sex with Cleveland's wife.
All right, let's see. I never did a chick in a Logan Airport bathroom. God, let's see. What else is there? I never gave a reach around to a spider monkey while reciting the Pledge of Allegiance.
Oh, God.
I never picked up an illegal alien at Home Depot to take home and choke me while I touched myself.
Oh, come on.
I never did the same thing, but with someone from Joanne Fabrics.
Oh, God, this is ridiculous.
Oh, boy, he's out cold. Hey, let's write on him. I'd like to rent a stall, please.
Sure. You need a tutorial before you start?
Yeah, it's a gun range. I think I got it. Wait, I think I did it wrong.
So how was the gun range, Dad? Did you shoot up that silhouette real good? That is so my dad.
They're kids. They're trick-or-treaters.
Trick-or-treaters?
Yeah, it's what kids do on Halloween. They dress up in costumes and they go around asking for candy. How do you not know about trick-or-treating?
Well, how do you not know that your reflection in the patio door isn't another dog?
Hey, that guy's a dick. Hey, get out of here! This is my house!
Oh, my God, Brian, what happened? Who did this to you? Did you do this, you son of a bitch?
What's that? What's that thing you're working on?
Well, it's a light bulb and...
A light bulb! Light bulb! Yeah, I invented that. Me! I'm Thomas Edison. I invented the light bulb. What's it do?
It lights up a room using electrical...
Lights up a room using electrical stuff. I was about to say that because I invented it. What are you working on?
It's a phonograph.
Phonograph! I knew that because I invented it. I'm Thomas Edison. I rule!
Look it up. Edison was a dick.
So, listen, Cleveland, the reason I asked you out here, I've been wanting to talk to you about something. In Superman 2, what is the story with that cellophane S that Superman rips off his chest and throws at the bad guy?
Prepare to be destroyed, Superman.
What was that?
Yeah, take that, you jerk.
That was a minor inconvenience.
Yeah, well, that's the idea. Slowed you down.
I'll say. Ow.
Didn't see that coming, did you?
No.
Yeah.
Welcome to the strip mall H&R Block.
Yes, I'd like to do my taxes. How much does H charge?
$59.
How much does R charge?
$59.
Does R know H has a side thing going with M? H&M?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Is H back from lunch yet?
Sorry, he said he was held up with a client.
You were with M again, weren't you?
What? No, I wasn't.
Then why are you wearing a designer-looking shirt at a fraction of the cost?
Maybe I wanted to get caught.
I told you what I'd do if I ever caught you cheating. This is on you!
Why? Why?
What's up? I was just taking a pee. Someone call?
Sometimes they let me write my own skits.